everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my favorite combinations to the Turkish-Greek rhythm called Chiftitelli. It's an 8-beat rhythm. It's going to sound like doom, tek, 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 doom, doom, tek, and. The counts for that are 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is there, it's just not really accented. So let's get into the movement itself and the combination. So we're going to start feet together. We're going to travel to the side with a step together and a crescent. So we're going to go to the side, together, ending in second position, into rear, horizontal figure 8, forward, forward, and then a little abdominal tuck. It's very, very subtle. Very small movement. It should be driven from your low abs, okay? The counts on that are 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go in a hip scoop to the side. Push the hips into a slide. 1, 2, and 4. Those are just little heel pops, so weight is in your toes, and you're just dropping the heels. And 4, coming up, and then the inside leg closes, puts you into a little half an ami, so around to the back, roll up with a little accent at the top for 7. So the counts on that are 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeating to the other side. Doom, tek, 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 doom, doom, tek. Little pause. Doom, tek, 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 doom, doom, tek. Yeah? So rewind that if you need to, but if you're ready, let's try it with the music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7. To the side, 2, and 4, inside leg, roll up, and repeat. And 4, outside, inside tuck, outside again, tuck, tuck, tap, tap, inside leg, roll up, and without cues. There you have it, everybody. I really hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you enjoyed it and if you would like to see more like this. Teaching how to dance to specific rhythms and breaking them down is one of my favorite ways to teach, so I'd love to do more like this if people are enjoying it. And if you need further breakdown for the actual movements used in the combinations, check out some of my other video tutorials. You can also check out my online classes. For now, I will probably be discontinuing them in the summer as I'll be resuming in-person classes very soon. But I will have an online catalog of on-demand lessons available very soon. Unfortunately, I was set back in this goal because of my concussion last year. I had to take about 8 months to recover from that. I'm still recovering, but I feel like I'm 95%, maybe 90% on a bad day. And yeah. So definitely check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, have a wonderful rest of the day and rest of the week. And I'll see you soon.